Welcome back to ipaul channel. In today's video we are diving into a topic that is crucial for anyone looking to create high quality image: how to scale image resolution without losing that crystal clear sharpness. Whether you're a graphic designer, a content creator, or just someone who wants to enhance their visual, this is the skills you won't want to miss. But before we get started, we are going to kick things off by creating a logo, and we are going to do it the smart way with the help of a free AI tool that is going to make it look like it was crafted by a professional designer. Watch closely as we unleash the power of AI to design our logo. Once we have our logo, it's time to take it to the next level. We are going to upscale its resolution with a hint of blurriness, and we will show you the exact step to achieve stunning result. Stay tuned because the transformation is nothing short of incredible. But before we dive in, if you find value in today's content and want to see more tutorials, tips and tricks related to design and image manipulation, AI, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and link the notification bell. This way you won't miss any of our upcoming video. Alright, let's get started with creating that stunning logo and upscaling it like a pro. The first AI tool that we are going to use to make our logo, it's called Logo Maker. So Logo Maker without is here. So this is the website we are going to use. So the first thing, so we go to start my design. So this is how the website is looking look like. Then we go here, search over million graphic. You can choose in animal, decorative, shapes, abstract, batch, natural, and a lot. So let's work on 3D one, then we choose what we like. Okay. I like this. I click this, it is here. Okay, I like this. So if you like your logo, if you like what you did, so what we do, you go here, then you save. So guys, this is the example of how your logo will look like. So you see, this is our logo here. This is when you print on t-shirt, here in the back, here when we put in our mug or something else, here you see on t-shirt, here on a badge, here on a cap, here on your phone. So this is, guys, how your logo will look like. If you like it, okay, so you go to download. So this free download, you download it with like low resolution, and it is PNG file. It is low resolution, so to mean when you zoom, it just lose some pixels, then you don't see it clearly. So let's download this. Then you put here your email, then you click send file to your email. So then you get your file downloaded. Then once we finish with our logo, so the next thing is to go to another AI tool that will help us to increase or to upscale this resolution. So let's go to that website. The website is called vectorizer.ai. vectorizer.ai. So we come here, then we drag image here, or we just click, then we select from our computer. So okay, here is our logo. Then When you zoom, this one, it is original image, and this one, it is vectorizer.ai lizard. So guys, when we zoom in, we try to zoom in, you see, when you try to zoom in, you see the original image, it just losing the pixels and just look somehow different. But when you look at this one, vectorizer.ai result, it's just perfect. You see, then here nothing you do, you just hit download. So when you are downloading this, here there is file format, so I can save to CVJ, EPS, PDF, DXF, or PNG version. So you go here, PNG, and you download. So nothing else, you download the file. Okay, so the file is downloaded already. So when we try to open it, hey guys, you see when you try to open, you see our image, it is good. When you try to zoom our image, it's fine. You can see. Okay, so guys, this is the free tools that we want to share with you in this video. So if you like our content is good and is helpful, please subscribe to our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel.